Hello, and welcome back to How We Do It. In this episode, we're going to be making turkey gravy. So stick around and I hope you enjoy this video. First, you want to grab your mirepoix consisting of onions, garlic, carrots, and celery. Give that a rough chop and transfer it into something to toss with some tomato paste. Once it's evenly mixed around all the vegetables, you can transfer it to a sheet tray and get it ready for roasting. Roast on 500 for about 10 minutes. You want to get a hard char on all of those vegetables to get all the flavor out of them. Transfer the vegetables into a pot and add your stock. Once the stock begins to boil, you can add your peppercorns, fresh herbs, and bay leaves. Reduce, reduce, reduce. Now it's time to strain. After straining, you'll see this fat cap on here where you have to skim it off, or you can let it chill overnight and remove it by hand. But this technique is called dépouillage. It should look like this when you're done. Next, grab another pot, melt some butter, and add in flour slowly to make a roux. It's 1 part melted butter to 1 part flour. Once the roux reaches the correct consistency, you can start slowly adding your liquid. To avoid clumps, continue stirring constantly. Once all the liquid is added, you should have a texture that looks like this, where it ribbons. From there, you want to add in your turkey drippings and get it ready to serve. Thanks for watching How We Do It Part 2, and I hope to catch you in the next one.